Guys, so I wanted to make a video of the differences between a K5LA, a K3LA, and the Hornblasters Shocker system. A lot of people say that their shocker system is just as loud as, one of these, and I don't think that's the case. So I wanted to make a video comparing all these horns. This is Nathan Airchime K5LA, like I said, K3LA. We're just going to find out today what truly is the loudest. Okay, so the setup we're going to run is on the K3, we're going to use a gram white valve on, this is 17 gallons, you got a 5 gallon, a 5 gallon, and a 7 gallon. And then on the K5LA, we're going to run it on the roof, reversed. Everything's reversed in this video because the shockers are mounted reversed and I want to give everything a fair shake. So, 17 gallons here, 20 gallons on that one, and 20 gallons on the shocker. I don't think it's the volume of air you have per se as much as the pressure you're running at. So everything's going to be running around 140 psi for this test today, and we'll get this test underway.